Hi friends, welcome back to Cyclone TV India. So, after some days, this is the latest update from Odisha TV that Cyclone Amphan will grow to a very severe cyclonic storm, told by Europe Med model. The developing Cyclone Amphan is now facing teething problems. Cyclogenesis to gather steam from coming Thursday. The clouds observed over Andaman Seas have a uber cool top temperature of minus 90 degrees Celsius. Landfall delayed further to May 30. You can see the low pressure area is located west of Sumatra and South Andaman Sea. Already grappling with the COVID menace imported from overseas, the country is keenly watching at the development of another danger brewing in the seas this time, and which coincidentally shares the same initial sea, the cyclone in the Andaman Seas. The cyclone seems not in a hurry. Many international met models predict it to cross the stature of a very severe cyclonic storm. And the latest prediction is the developing cyclone will make landfall on around May 13 or 14. As per the Regional Specialized Meteorological Center, tropical cyclones New Delhi, a low pressure area over the South Andaman Sea and the adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal, has been identified on May 1. The prediction is its intensification to likely to get further delayed owing to pronounced diurnal variation in convection and slight increase in vertical wind shear over the region. What seems impeding the faster brewing of the system into a tropical cyclone is the pronounced variation in the maximum daytime and minimum night temperature in the region. Moreover, a tad higher vertical wind shear is preventing its updraft. The result is the cyclogenesis is taking more time to develop into a cyclonic storm. Will the low part dissipate then? Here I am telling you that low part is low pressure area. Seems very unlikely. Weathermen say the cyclogenesis will start on May 7 and the low part will become well marked, and within 24 hours after May 7 it will develop into a tropical depression. The reason MJO or Madden-Julian oscillation phase will support enhancement of convective activity over Bay of Bengal during next 2 days. Moreover, the minimum cloud top temperature recorded stood at minus 90 degrees Celsius. This shows the cloud top temperature is nearly uber cool, which will greatly assist in updraft activity of the low part. Satellite pictures show broken low and medium clouds embedded with intense to very intense convection. This condition facilitates heat transfer, a condition vital for cyclogenesis. Also, the sea surface temperature in the Bay of Bengal region is around 30 to 31 degrees Celsius, far higher than normal sea surface temperature of 28 degrees Celsius during summer. What Met models say? As per the ECMWF or European Center for Medium Range Weather Forecast, the low part will develop into a very severe cyclonic storm. The system will first move towards North Andhra, South Odisha due to the effect of easterly winds. As you can see here, later will deflect towards north and further bend eastwards to make landfall in Myanmar on May 13. US-based GFS model of this ACE Met agency is in unanimity with the ECMWF model. It says after initially veering towards Andhra Odisha coasts, will recurve towards Myanmar to make landfall on May 3. You can see the image below. Indian Cyclone Watch Agencies, models of Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune and NCMRWS, National Center for Medium Range Weather Forecasting, are in unanimity with the ECMWF and USGFS. Models show it will veer towards Indian coasts, North Andhra, South Odisha initially May 12 and then move towards north and northeast to make landfall in Myanmar on around May 13. So it was the latest update on Cyclone Amphan. Cyclone Amphan delayed landfall or delayed rather intensification. So keep watching our channel for the latest updates. Thank you.